We generally think that people should have a right to repair things they own, or take them to a repairer they choose. But why is right to repair important? It's a bigger issue than most of us realize. The impacts echo across the economy, the environment, and the rights of consumers. When independent businesses can access the tools, information, and parts they need, they can compete for your business. Stronger competition in business equals stronger participation in the economy. If you have a product that doesn't quite work anymore, you can avoid having to replace it prematurely. Right to repair lets you extend the lifespan of things you own, preventing unnecessary waste in our environment and saving you money. Consumers deserve choice in how much they want to pay, quality of service, and convenience too. And for those who are rural, remote, or low income, this access and choice can make all the difference. The economy and consumers. Two big reasons why right to repair is really important.